Like, subscribe, share, comment. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto K10 has been one of India's most loved budget-friendly cars for years, and now, the 2025 model brings a fresh take on affordability, practicality, and efficiency. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or someone looking for a reliable city car, the new Alto K10 has plenty to offer. Starting with the design, the 2025 Alto K10 has evolved with a more modern and aerodynamic look. The compact size remains perfect for navigating city traffic, but Maruti has given it a slightly bolder front fascia. The grille now carries a sportier pattern, and the headlamps are sharper, giving it a more confident stance. The bumper design has been reworked to enhance airflow, improving both stability and fuel efficiency. On the sides, the subtle character lines add to its appeal, and the rear remains simple but functional with redesigned tail lamps. Under the hood, the 2025 Alto K10 retains its peppy 1.0-liter K-Series engine. It delivers a modest yet effective power output of around 66 horsepower, which is more than enough for city commutes and occasional highway drives. The engine is refined, providing smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency, thanks to the updated tuning. Paired with either a 5-speed manual gearbox or an AMT automatic option, it ensures an effortless driving experience. The lightweight build of the car also contributes to its impressive mileage, which remains one of its strongest selling points. Expect fuel economy figures of around 24 to 26 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most economical petrol cars in the market. Ride quality has been enhanced with improved suspension tuning. The McPherson strut setup at the front and a torsion beam at the rear work well to absorb city road bumps. The steering remains light, making it ideal for maneuvering in tight spaces. While it's not a high-speed cruiser, the Alto K10 holds its own when driving within city limits. Braking performance has been slightly improved, with better tuned discs at the front and drums at the rear, ensuring stable stopping power. Inside the cabin, Maruti has taken a step forward in terms of comfort and convenience. The dashboard layout is simple yet functional, with a floating touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a feature previously missing in this segment. Thanks for watching.